Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E40. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to lock screen and make sure that this function is enabled. Now go back, go to voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's lock the screen and simply say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be thunderstorms with a high of 72 and a low of 63.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.